So here's the latest update on the K1 restoration. We've got some new parts coming in, just fitting out extra little bits to the bike. We've got the fancy, stupendously expensive bracket, ignition key fits onto the side, getting it all wired up. Got to sort out the coils in a minute. Got a brand new, old stock fender. Got that all set in. It doesn't fit too good, it doesn't fit as well as I would like, but it seems to be doing the job. Brake hose is set up. And then when I've done this, I can get the bike off my makeshift stand. But the very, very exciting bit is the arrival of the parts that we've had painted. So what we've got is we've got the original headlamp bowl, we've got the original earpieces. I've forgotten what I want to call these things. We have the original tank. I didn't have original side panels, so I had to buy some side panels from David Silver. Sadly, they didn't arrive with holes drilled in them for the badges, but I can get that sorted. And I sent it all the way to my painter to get that done. I'd read on the forum, I bought some transfers, but I've read on the forum that the K0s and the K1s did not have transfers, and these gold stripes were painted on, so I had them paint these on. Damn fine job he's done as well. The green colour we had to make our own colour because Valley Green doesn't have a RAL code or a PPG code. So what we did was we managed to find a small piece of paint here that hadn't been sun faded. All the rest of it had faded into a different green altogether, but there was a piece here hidden by the seat that wasn't sun faded, and so we took a sample of that and we mixed this batch up. And I'm very, very pleased with it. It's a lovely colour, lovely green. He's got it all done underneath as well, obviously all masked off properly, so he's done an absolutely cracking job. I've got there's a little bit of dust there from the packaging, from the bubble wrap it's been sitting in. I need to get some badges, obviously. I've got the trim for the bottom, and I've also got 2 spare transfers because I bought the transfers but didn't use them. So that's that. I'll now be able to put these earpieces on and get the front of the bike all finished, and we'll take it from there. It's starting to look like a vehicle now.